model, 2014 Ford Transit Custom 2.2TD 100PS 310 Kombi L2 High RF Fresh MOT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 132,645. MOT, the 2nd of December 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Flywheel is vibratin and will need replacing. Nice easy job and van does still drive alright. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, parking sensors, electric windows, aircon. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,725. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.